Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nurul Islamia Umar. Will retell about the film with drama and comedy genre. The title of the film is Me versus Mom by Odi C. Arhab. The film Me versus Mom will tell story a family between a mother named Maudi and her daughter named Mira. Mira's father, the Maudi couple named Adam, is divorced and not long after Adam's father died. The story opens with Mira and Maudi have a bad relationship with each other as mom and her daughter. Om Henki gave a note paper so that they both wrote about anything they didn't like about each other. On note, Mira wrote that her mom likes to organize and she doesn't like it, but the result is they actually fight with each other until finally Om Henki suggests writing a letter to each other what Mira wants from her mother and what Modi wants from her daughter. At the moment, Mira's grandmother, Uchi's called. Mira doesn't know the language because her grandmother comes from the Padang area, Sumatra with different accent. Mira's grandmother is sick right now and she asks Mira to come see her. Maudi did not allow Mira to go alone and she ended up accompanying her to Padang. According to Uncle Henky, this was right time for the two of them to have a vacation and said they would not forget to write letters to each other. Mimi and Mira to live in the cooking program, and then two of them finally left together. Arriving at Padang, Mira and her mother went to the food stall. Mira sees Rio for the first time. Mira was interesting and smiled at him, but it made Rio awkward and moved in a seat. Meanwhile, Maudi went into the kitchen and advised all about clean lines in the kitchen because she also has a restaurant in Jakarta. But the owner was angry and told Maudi to leave the kitchen and they both made a fuss with each other. Mira and Maudi were about to leave the place, but the restaurant owner saw Maudi on television and apologized to her. Finally, it's the story not yet. Mommy and Maudi had to drive the car themselves to go to Uchi's grandmother's place. Because she had been waiting for a driver for a long time, finally Maudi decided to drive herself. In the car, Mira is busy alone with her phone. She also confided in Rio to her best friend Tika's name. They also argued with each other until finally they both lost. Annoyed, Mel took Mira's cell phone and threw it away. No thanks. Mira also threw away her mother's cell phone. Maudis get her cell phone back, but it turns off. The car they were driving was hit by a nail and leg. The two of them tried to change the tire themselves. Mira wanted to ask others for help. She saw a male figure from a distance and approached him. Surprisingly, the man wanted to commit suicide by throwing himself into the lake. Mira and Maudi tried to advise him. The funny thing is that Mira fell in. They panicked until Zainuddin finally fell in. Rio heard their excitement. Mira then faltered and asked Rio to help the car's leaking twice and Rio managed to fix their car. But when they were about to leave, Maudi drove back and hit Rio's motorbike and fell into the rice field. After that, Rio went with them and drove the car. Rio is Jakarta man goes to the place by motorbike as touring. But according to Maudi, he is not touring because Rio rents his motorbike here, not taking his motorbike from Jakarta. Maudi doesn't like Rio and she throws him out at night. This made Mira angry. She had a fight with her mother and broke up Mimi's career, which led to the divorce. Mira also thought that if she joined her father, she might be happy. They both fight each other until Maudi gets out of control, slapping Mira. And then Mira ran away to a waterfall. She read the message from her mommy. It touched her and finally came to her senses. And it turns out that her father left them, but to Canada, for another woman. Mira ran and injured her leg. Her mother managed to come get her and carry her home. Rio came back and looked for them. In the end, they arrived at Grandma Uchi's village. The residents there said that they were gone. And then Alex and Uchi's grandmother came from behind. The residents screamed at the ghost and ran away. It turns out that Alex is Adam. He calls Maudie his ex-wife. Maudie and Mira scream at Adam. Finally, the film ends and Maudie and Mira pass out. I think that's enough. Thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.